Hi guys, just a quick video to show you what came off my ANET A8s early hours this morning. This is the Goliath from Gargoyles. This is printed at 0.2 layer height, 10% infill, 3 top, 3 bottoms, 3 shells, and it's come out amazingly. So I don't know whether you can see fully via my phone, but the layer lines are like, let's see if I can get in there and get it to focus. There we go, the layer lines are smooth. Yeah, just wanted to do a quick video, show that I'm not completely vanished, and the lights on it a bit. Let's refocus. And then yeah, there's a few blobs where the tree sorts was, but that could obviously be easily cleaned up. But yeah, this was a 12-hour print, and it's come out extremely well. This is also the fiery orange from 3D quality filament here in the UK. And yeah, that's that. So it's just a quick video, just post up. Smash the like button if you're not before, subscribe. I have got updates to the Core XY build that I'm doing, and a few other things. I just need to find the time to record it. This one's just nice, easy and quick. So yeah, it's come out really well. I'm extremely pleased with this. As you can see, it's just on my basic stock ANET A8, just belt tensioner there and belt tensioner on the back of there, and that's it. That's all I've got on there. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.